How to reduce face count. First, turn on Statistics in the Overlays drop-down menu. This allows us to see how many faces are in our Blender project. Now make sure your gun or object is selected. Then click on the blue Modifiers tab. Then click Add Modifier and add a Decimate modifier. It will also show the face count at the bottom left corner. Now turn the ratio down until you see that you are losing texture on your object, and then bring it up a little. If the face count increases, then click on the Planar tab and increase the angle limit. You can see we have went from 12,520 face count to 8,763 face count. Now click the drop-down arrow, then click Apply. Like, comment, subscribe, and enjoy.